Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you a cool do-it-yourself project you can make from an old computer mouse. Let's start taking the mouse apart. The LED that's on the board needs to be desoldered. You can also desolder all the buttons, we won't need them. Now solder the KT 973 transistor's third leg to the LED's former negative spot. We connect the first leg to the positive contact where the power was supplied. To the middle leg of the transistor. For now, just solder a piece of wire. Also, you need to solder a piece of wire to the negative contact where the power was supplied. This is how it should look. Now insert the board into the case and secure it with hot glue. You also need to glue the roller, it will simply cover the hole in the upper part of the case. Break off all uneven parts inside the upper case. After breaking off the protruding parts, you need to drill a 12mm emitter hole. Also, after marking, you need to make a hole for the button. We file everything and insert the button. Insert a sound emitter into the second hole. After securing everything with hot glue, we solder the wires to the button and the sound emitter. Next, we take the board and connect the middle leg of the transistor to the positive contact of the sound emitter. We solder the negative contact from the connector on the board to the second contact on the button. We will also need a 12-volt battery, which should be attached to the case using double-sided tape. The wire from the connector's positive contact is soldered to the battery's positive terminal. We solder the wire from the button's second contact to the battery's negative terminal. This is how it should look. I didn't make a diagram because everything is clear as it is. Now we lay the wires, close the cover and tighten the screws. That's it, the homemade device is finished. Now watch how it works. When you press the button, the sound signal should turn on immediately. If you shine a laser or a flashlight on the mouse sensor, the signal disappears immediately. This way, we've made a simple alarm system that can be triggered when the perimeter is crossed. Simply place the mouse in one spot and aim a beam at it from another. If someone crosses this line, the alarm goes off. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell. Thanks for watching, goodbye everyone.